Today we're going to talk about good sleep. What can we eat or not eat in order to have better sleep? So for people who don't sleep very well, there's a risk of increasing weight without them knowing because of how the hormones work on our body. So two things you require: uninterrupted sleep, which is deep sleep, at the same time, sufficient number of hours. Couple of things that can impact our sleep. First of all is caffeine. So caffeine's half-life, for it to reduce by half, takes about 5 hours. And so your last caffeinated drink, if you are struggling with sleep, should be no less than 6 hours. So exercise to promote good sleep, but there are people who exercise very close to bedtime, and that impacts the sleep. So everybody needs to adjust a little bit.
For us.
So today I'm making everybody a cherry crumble, a healthy one. So cherries have been studied for helping people improve their sleep. From as little as 20 cherries a day can help you sleep better. And need a little bit of sugar again, 2 tablespoons.